Welcome to our Dear Pebbles. In this video, I am going to show you how to place a bid for the auction of the 23rd of June. To begin with, visit our website at the following link. On this page, you will see a little pop-up on the top left corner. Click on it and it will redirect you to the auction page. You will then need to register by clicking on the button. On this page, you can log in typing your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using the registration form on the right side. After typing your informations, you can click on Validate for the next step. On this page, you will have to tick both conditions as well as indicate the approximative amount that you would like to bid. Once that's done, you can click on Save to proceed. Congratulations, you can now bid for the lots that interest you the most. In order to bid, you simply have to click on Place a Bid and choose the amount you would like to place. Then click on Bid, choose the amount of additional lots you want, click on Add, and it's done. We look forward to seeing you at the Château for this auction.